Today is my first attempt at some graffiti style artwork. I already did the sketch, put it on some transfer sheet so you can see. I've got me a little projector set up. I'm gonna angle that up so it projects on the ceiling, and then we'll see a Clark's Place logo up there before long, hopefully. Oh, I'll show you what it looks like. Da-da-da-da! New Clark's Place graffiti logo. I think it looks pretty good. Okay, so scissor lift. That's where it's gonna be, is kind of, let me cut out the lights and we'll see what we think. So my vision, hopefully it turns out on the camera, is something like that. Hopefully that shows up on the camera. That's what I'm gonna do. I gotta get everything set and locked in so things don't move. And then we're gonna paint that on the ceiling. Yeah. Okay, so looky there. Oh, look at that. I spilled some paint. Now, if you look, my little paint tray
I like it. What about you?
has an angle to it. So while I started the E, which is there, look at this mess. So I've been at it for the last hour and a half, spraying all this. Look at that. How the heck does red paint get over here? Look at it. I'm glad I put plastic over my car. Look at it. I'm sure there's some on top. So me, Mom, and Pop.
Box up at the top.
What's that? Oh yeah, look at that.
You didn't get any on Dale Jr., did you?
Dale's clean. Dale's clean. Oh, he's got some red dots up there in the amp. Oh, he's got red dots all over him. I can't believe that blew up and went everywhere. But me, Mom, and
There's a lot
Pop.
of red over there where you're standing.
I know the red went over here, all over. I couldn't get this floor cleaned up. Oh, we gotta redo your rear end. We got red paint. We got red house paint all over the place.
You got it
So,
on back on you to show how black and red your face is.
yeah.
You can't see it. Man. Black, red. You got red all over you.
Yeah. I've been busy.
Yeah.
So we got all cleared out.
Your shoe. It's got red on.
Oh, my favorite Jordans.
Are you trying to teach your people on the on your YouTube page how not to do something?
No, I just think it's funny that it's ridiculous. All my quartz blew up. Okay, so for the last 2.5 hours, I will try to focus in on the time lapse, but I didn't notice that my cart has an angle to it. So when I was flipping a bunch of paint up here, I started that red E and flipping paint, and then I had quarts of paint blow up everywhere. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. It's all over my car. It's all over everything. I'm glad I put the plastic sheet on my car. Look at red everywhere. Oh my gosh. So 2.5 hours later, we got all the paint swooshed out. So we'll continue with this here in a bit. That'll probably be like right now. Okay, done. New Clark's Place logo for the garage. 2 days worth, a few hours a day. And done.